We're going to learn how to operate our Clean Dum System on our luxury Midwest Sprinter van today. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take our 751 key, which you'll find with your ignition key that your dealership gave you. First, we'll open our control panel. When we open our control panel, you'll see that we'll have 3 separate rocker switches. Reading from left to right, it'll read black valve, gray valve, and reel retract. The last switch you have in here is a toggle switch that'll read waste pump. The second part of what we need to do now is open our sewer hose panel. Again, using our 751 key, we'll open up the panel, and you'll see inside here we'll have our sewer hose, but also we'll have our gray tank flush and our black tank flush. What those will allow you to do is clean out your systems after we dump. So to get this sewer hose out to the desired length, we'll need to hold down the reel retract button. Now you hold your reel retract button in the up position, which will allow you to pull out your sewer hose to your desired length. When we have the sewer hose out to our desired length, we'll make sure that we are doing this at an approved dump site location. We'll then open up our black tank valve, which is the black valve. We'll hold this rocker switch in the upright position to open the valve. We'll hold that down until we hear the motor stop and the red light is blinking. Now we'll make sure to actually put this sewer hose in the line. When we have that done, we'll then hit our waste pump switch. You'll hear that run. You can actually see everything coming through this hose. When that is finished, you'll turn the waste pump switch off. You'll hold your black valve rocker switch in the down position. We'll hold that down until the red light stops blinking and you hear the motor stop running. Next, we'll follow it up by dumping our gray tank. We will again do the same thing. We'll hold our gray valve in the upright position until we hear that motor stop and the red light is blinking. We will then again hit the waste pump switch, and that will extract everything from the gray tank. We always dump our black valve first and always follow with the gray. The reason we follow with the gray is so that soapy water that you're pulling from your gray tank will actually wash out the hose, so then there's no extra cleanup. When the hose is all cleaned out, you then shut the valve. You'll hold the rocker switch for the gray valve in the down position until the red light stops blinking and you hear the motor shut off. In our final step, we'll guide our hose back in. We'll make sure to shut our red valve here at the end. After we close our red valve at the end of the hose, we'll begin to guide our sewer hose back in. We'll hold the reel retract button in the down position, and we'll guide the hose back in. And we're going to want to make sure that we do not kink the hose. We'll bring it in far enough so that we can close our panel.